In just the past few months, this faceless YouTube channel has raked in over $15,000 by uploading simple motivational videos. Remarkably, and its second video alone garnered over 1.5 million views, with the channel amassing more than 4 million views overall. Truly incredible. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to start your own YouTube automation channel using this strategy. Now I know what you might be thinking. There are already a bunch of Stoicism tutorials on YouTube. Well, the problem is most of these so-called gurus aren't transparent and fail to provide a clear, step-by-step guide to starting your first YouTube business. Instead, they're focused on their own views. If you're patient enough to watch until the end, you'll gain all the knowledge needed to start your own YouTube automation business, no exaggeration. We'll cover everything from creating the channel and designing the logos to writing scripts and producing your first video. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to becoming a YouTube automation expert. To prove it, here's a quick clip of a video I created in just 15 minutes, which is even better than the one Stoic Bond uploaded that earned over 1 million views.
Focus on what you can control. Concentrate on your own actions and responses, and let go of concerns about things outside your control. Live according to nature. Align your actions with rationality and the natural order of the world. Embrace the natural flow of life.
Creating these videos involves 5 key steps, but I'll also reveal one final tip at the end of the video that I've learned from managing multiple faceless YouTube channels. This tip will help you actually make money with your channel. After all, that's what you're here for, right? Normally people pay thousands for this kind of information through courses, but I'm giving it to you for free. So make sure to pay attention. Today's video is packed with value, so get comfortable. For your convenience, I've added a Google Doc in the description that includes a step-by-step blueprint you can follow with all the necessary links. First, we need to create a channel and establish its branding. Head over to YouTube Studio and create a channel. If you're already familiar with creating a channel and a logo, feel free to skip ahead using the timestamps below. To start, click your profile icon on the right, then select Switch Account followed by View All Channels at the bottom, and then create a channel. Choose a name for your channel. I've already used ChatGPT to generate some Stoic themed name ideas, so feel free to use a similar prompt to come up with your own. After selecting a name, simply copy it and paste it into the channel name field, creating an appropriate username as well. Next, tell ChatGPT the name you chose and ask it to create a concise, well-organized channel description with emojis for extra engagement. Once done, paste this into your bio and we're ready to create our logo. To design the logo, we'll need an image editor and an AI image generator. I use Leonardo AI and Canva for this. Start by asking ChatGPT to suggest a logo design idea. After receiving the idea, ask it to provide a text prompt that you can use in an AI image generator. Specify that your channel is about stoicism and wisdom with a black and white theme, and that you want a Stoic philosopher's sculpture in the logo. Once you have the prompt, head over to Leonardo AI and generate the logo. Set the dimensions to 800x800 to match YouTube's logo format. Choose Leonardo Photoreal Effect, paste the prompt from ChatGPT and hit generate. Select your favorite generated logo, download it and upload it to YouTube Studio. Now that our channel is set up, it's time to move on to the video creation process. Many gurus might tell you to use ChatGPT to generate a script, but while it's a powerful tool, it often produces generic scripts that don't engage viewers. However, there's still a way to leverage ChatGPT, which we'll discuss later. Instead, one of my secret weapons for creating viral content is an all-in-one AI tool called DupDub. I'll show you 2 ways to use it to generate a viral script. First, click AI voiceover on DupDub's homepage and ask it to write a script for a video titled Top 10 Rules of Stoicism in seconds. You'll have a high-quality, human-sounding script ready to edit. With your script ready, let's move on to the voiceover. Using DupDub, choose an AI voice that suits your content. Always voice works well for Stoic themed videos. Adjust the narration style to hopefully export the audio as an MP3, and then we'll move on to creating the visuals. To generate visuals, ask ChatGPT for 10 text prompts suitable for Leonardo AI. These should depict famous Stoic philosophers as sculptures in black and white. Generate the images using Leonardo AI and then use its built-in animation tool to bring the images to life. This used to be a task for professional animators, but now with AI tools you can achieve similar results in seconds. Once the images are animated, download them and proceed to the next step. Now let's add music. Find a suitable copyright-free track on a site like Pixabay. Using keywords like ancient and mysterious, download the track and we're ready to put everything together. Use your preferred editing software. I'm using CapCut. Import the voiceover, animated images and music, then edit the voiceover to remove any pauses, ensuring the video remains engaging. Add transitions between images, apply effects and do some color grading to enhance the overall look. If your visuals are shorter than the audio, loop the clips to fill the timeline. Now let's finalize the audio settings, apply captions and export the video. Adjust the voiceover and music volumes and auto-generate captions using CapCut's text feature. Customize the captions to fit your style, then export the video in 1080p at 60 fps. Next, we'll upload the video and optimize it for search. Create a thumbnail using one of your AI-generated images and Canva. VidIQ is my favorite tool for SEO. Use it to find trending keywords, enhance your title, and generate a description packed with keywords. Once everything is set, publish your video. Finally, let's talk about monetizing your channel. First, aim to reach the 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours required for YouTube monetization. Given that these videos are longer and target an adult audience, you will accumulate watch hours quickly and your RPM revenue per 1,000 views will be high. Beyond ad revenue, you can also sell merchandise or promote affiliate products like Stoic philosophy books. The possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.